Hello, everyone. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating and important topic of who is Hindu under Hindu law. This subject holds great significance as it forms the foundation for various legal aspects within the Hindu legal framework. To begin, it's crucial to understand the definition of a Hindu under Hindu law. According to the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, and the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, 1956, a Hindu includes individuals who are Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists, not just those who follow the Hindu religion. This broader definition encompasses a diverse group of people. Moving on, religious practices play a significant role in determining who is considered a Hindu under Hindu law. Engaging in Hindu customs, rituals, and ceremonies is essential. However, mere adherence to these practices may not be sufficient. There are legal criteria that need to be met. Birth and descent also play a significant role in defining who is a Hindu. If a person is born to Hindu parents or has converted to Hinduism, they are generally considered Hindu under Hindu law. The concept of birth and descent is integral in establishing one's identity within the Hindu legal framework. Speaking of conversion, it's worth noting that the act of conversion to Hinduism is a recognized process. Individuals who choose to adopt Hinduism can do so formally, and once the conversion is complete, they are considered Hindus under Hindu law. Understanding who is Hindu under Hindu law has several legal implications. It affects matters such as marriage, inheritance, and guardianship. The legal definition of Hinduism helps in determining the applicability of various laws and regulations that govern these aspects of life. In conclusion, the question of who is Hindu under Hindu law is a multifaceted one. It encompasses religious practices, birth and descent, and even conversion. The legal implications of this definition are far-reaching, affecting the lives of individuals in various aspects. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of who is Hindu under Hindu law. I hope this discussion has provided you with a clearer understanding of the legal nuances surrounding this concept. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them below. Until next time, take care.